In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a form and landing page in HubSpot brought to you by House Digital. Whether you're a seasoned marketer or just getting started, understanding how to effectively use HubSpot for your campaigns can make a significant difference. So let's dive right into the process. First, we'll begin by navigating to the HubSpot homepage. If you're not already familiar, HubSpot is an incredibly versatile tool that offers software and tools for businesses to help manage marketing, sales, and customer service. Once you've opened the HubSpot website in your browser, look to the top right corner and click on Login. Log into your account with the necessary credentials. After logging in, you should find yourself on the HubSpot home dashboard. Now, from the HubSpot dashboard, you're going to want to locate and click on Marketing from the main navigation bar. This click will expand a menu where you'll see several options, but for our purposes, we're interested in Forms. Click on that. Once you're in the Form section, you'll see a button labeled Create Form. Go ahead and click on this to start the creation process. You'll initially be prompted with options for different types of forms, but what we're going to do now is a step that allows for maximum customization. So simply click Next to move forward to the blank form option. This might feel like a leap, but starting with a blank form allows you unparalleled flexibility to tailor it precisely to your needs. You can add all your content, including marketing assets, at this stage. After you're satisfied with the form, it's time to wrap up this segment. Click on Exit to leave the form creation process. Now we move on to the exciting part, creating the landing page. Back on the HubSpot dashboard, you'll once again click on Content in the main navigation menu. In the drop-down that appears, select Landing Pages. This will take you to the space where you manage all your landing pages, and here you'll find a button that says Create. Give that a click. The next step is to click on Create Page, and just like that, you're ready to design your landing page. At this point, you have the freedom to use HubSpot's tools to design a page that best fits your brand and complements the form you've just created. Use graphics, text, and links strategically to guide your user's journey and maximize conversions. Through these steps, you not only create a form, but strategically align it with a dedicated landing page, creating a seamless experience that's bound to captivate and convert your audience. Thank you for joining me today, and good luck with your HubSpot campaigns.